welcome to this episode of Restorative Chair Yoga. I'm still in nature, yay! So enjoy this next breathing exercise and slight movement. This exercise is called ocean breath. So flutter your eyes closed. Ground your feet down and release your shoulders down your back. Ocean breath helps with any type of distress. It will help you to chill. It's ocean. So imagine that you're near a body of water. It's swaying back and forth. But you're calm, you're at the shore. Inhale in through your nose and release with a hard sigh out of your mouth. Inhale in through your nose with a hard sigh out through your mouth. Feel your feet on the ground. Listen to the ripple of the ocean. Use your breath to emulate the ocean on your next inhale. Inhale in through your nose. Soft exhale out through your mouth. Good. Flutter your eyes open when you're ready, or just listen to the sound of my voice. So let's get ready for our first pose. Our first pose is cactus. Shoot your arms out and hold them up like you're high-fiving the air. And send your gaze up to the heavens. And release down. Again, inhale. And send your gaze up towards the heavens. See if you can lean back this time. And release down. Lower your hands down. Dear friends, let's engage in a deep, deep twist. Bring your foot and bring it inside, far as you can, inside, and let it meet almost your hip. And I'll have to hold my foot because I'm not as flexible, but some of us can just keep moving our foot back, right? So move your foot back. You're still breathing, sitting up straight, breathing naturally, and look at this leg that's not bent and slowly bring it up. Bring it up. There we go. And release your foot back down that was lifted. And this time, since we engaged in that deep, deep kind of a easy stretch here, we're going to do another stretch called telephone. Leave your leg just like it is. Your foot is the receiver. And lift, 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 and hello. Now mine is more of an iPad because I'm here with it. But how far can you lift yours? I used to be able to go behind my head. We're not going to do that. Boom, boom, boom. Who are you calling? iPad. And release back down. I know, right? And release your foot. Other side, because this foot gets jealous. Bring it in. And one side may be more flexible than the other. You might see that. And lift that foot that's not stretched. And this time let's wiggle our toes a little bit. There we go. Bring your foot down and bring your foot in. How far can you bring it in, dear friends? Tell me in the comments. How far can you do this? Wiggle your toes. And this time it's time to lift. iPad. Whoop, there's a flower on my foot. Whoop, whoop. How far can you go? Here. There you go. And release back down. And release your foot. There it is. Feel that. You should be able to feel a really great stretch in your hips now. And good. Now let's end it with a great twist. Shoot your arms out to either side and twist to your most favorite side and return to center and twist to your most favorite side. How far can you go back? And return to center. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me for this fun stretch and groove exercise with Ocean Breath. And as always, I'll see you next time. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.